She's like, ooh. Who's this to? Oh, she's gone.
No, I'll wait for her to open up more.
Oh, this one's from Santa Elena.
I want her to open up one.
Look! Woo! Oh, cool!
Oh, looky there.
Good. Yay!
Looky there.
Yay! She's like, yay! Yay! Yay!
What is that? What is that? What is that? Look
Yeah,
there.
you're gonna give me videos of all this, right, Dad? Yep. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, the stack is getting bigger. Let's open this one. Lena, come on, grab some. Grab some paper. Ooh, we're gonna like this. Yay! Squeeze my tummy. Oh, she's gonna like this. That's from Auntie Dawn. Look. Yay! Yay!
Oh, my poor baby's sick.
She's not sick. She said, I've got it. Okay. Is those Elena's?
You need some trash bag?
We'll just throw all the wrapping over there. Keep everything.
Looky there. Look at baby doll.
What's this? Ooh, Elena, open that. Get it.
Take it out.
Yay! Oh, we'll wear this today.
That's what I was thinking. She can wear that today for that.
Yes.
Oh, looky that.
Looky. Oh.
You like that?
I do. Ooh, we got tights. Ooh, we like these. Thank you, Auntie Dawn. We'll be styling. What's this? Oh my.
A poncho. Look at that.
Oh, we love it.
That's from Grandpa. Look at that.
Oh. Okay. All right, well, we'll get to the good stuff. Yeah, we like that. We like that, don't we, Elena? Is there any other ones for her?
Yeah.
It's up there. Yeah, it's up there.
That one's one of hers.
Up there on top.
Oh, okay. Lena. Hey! It's like the one we already have. Yay! Oh no, those skinny ones up top I think are from Bad though, Lena.
One's for Anthony and the other one.
Oh.
I already get it's already below that.
Oh, okay. Elena, it's from Grandpa Jim. I mean, we're gonna have to open some of ours to get to some of hers. Waterproof markers, we like those. Yes, we do. Thank you, Grandpa. And she's an artistic baby.
I'll open Dad's.
Oh, here's Elena.
Oh, yeah.
She's like, oh, what's this? Oh, this is from Grandpa. Ooh, more messes for Mama. Yay! The pile's getting bigger. Okay, Auntie Dawn can open one of hers. Go ahead, open it.
Dad?
Oh wait,
I get a present.
here's Elena's stocking. Ooh. She likes flashlights.
To a wonderful daughter. You always find time to be such a caring, loving daughter. I just want to tell you how grateful I am and how very much I love you, Dada.
Thanks, Dada.
Let's
Oh,
see
the gift card. Oh, yay!
Yay!
I could use that.
This is
right now.
to me from Santa.
Oh, that's what I need. I need this so bad, Dad.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. My pans are they're like rusted.
What do you think?
Do you like that?
Yeah, I do. Of course I do. It's Chica, but Elena will like it too.
Yes.
Yes.
Those are glass bowls too,
Oh, yay.
not plastic. Yeah.
Good.
What is this?
Yes. I need pasta pans so bad, Dad. You have no idea.
I got it upstairs.
Did you? Yeah, I need them. Thank you.
Thanks, Dada.